And well, if you can't have coffee in Asda, at least I respond to them, because I was so moved by it, about what face do we wear. I mean, I asked this last week and nobody answered. I mean, someone said about me the other day that I was a video blogger, which I didn't like the term. And they said basically I just went on and I told what had happened in my life. But really, is that the way it happened? I think you see the real me. But do you? Do you see the other 23.40 minutes of what goes on in my life? Do any of us show the real us? When we go out in the shops, or at business, or on the telephone, do you have a telephone voice? This poem is excellent, Andy. It's absolutely excellent. And I'd love a copy. So thank you very much. I think you've given us room for thought. Bless you, Andy, love. Have a cup of coffee on me, love. Okay. See you soon. You clicky bar. I'm out. God bless you, love.